Welcome in, family. My name is K Dizzle DC. You're watching 14th Entertainment. And look, let's get to what you came here. Here are 5 channels that you need to be watching in order to better your stream or your YouTube. And look, don't at me in the comments because it's no particular order. Only at me if you've got a channel that I missed in it. So let's get started. Before we get rolling, today's sponsor, randomartontees.com. Go check them out and order yourself a t-shirt. Back to the video. Gaming careers on YouTube. Look, very direct, informative, detailed, great examples when comparing products. We'll get technical with descriptions and information, but we'll be quick and concise. What I like, clear directions on how to do something when explaining setup and performance, very little filling in videos. It recommends based on where you are in your streaming career, whether it be beginner, novice, or pro. Gael Level on YouTube. Love this guy. Look, unique, detailed, but not immersive. Just enough, right? Twitch-focused content highlights add-ins and tools that have improved your streaming production. His hair is out of control, but I love it. I feel like he's missing eyeliner when his hair is out versus pulled back. That's just me, don't worry about it. But I love the approach. I love the approach to his videos and his honesty when giving opinions on whether for or against a product or service translates over the camera, okay? Next up, Stream Scheme, YouTube. Stream Scheme takes a unique approach to help you understand how to make better content by actually working through his ideas right there on camera in front of you. While watching his videos, he answers the questions you're thinking about right while you're watching it and holds your hand as you learn. And look, that's great. His approach is unique and all based on personal experience. With a heavy focus on how to build and maintain a live audience, he gives useful tips on how to get better and engage your viewers while streaming. It's honest, it's good information, and most importantly, it's simple enough to apply and be successful. Nutty on YouTube. Nutty is a character you love to watch. The insights and tools that he recommends to improve not only your setup, presentation, and overall skill set is layered with playful jokes about himself, the process, and the mistakes he's made while recording the video. He never takes himself too seriously. And you can tell he chooses the add-ons and the tools he uses in his videos are carefully selected and not just paid advertised content. Always just enough, can get deep into the technical stuff if desired, but always entertaining. Senpai Gaming on YouTube. Look, Harris Heller was one of the first the algorithm initially pushed into my feed. My initial thoughts, candidly speaking, was oh no, not another pompous YouTuber who talks in circles for another 15 minutes. This was my thought from just the thumbnail, okay? And Harris, if you ever see this, I am a die-hard fan. I clicked on the first video and instantly I was punched in the face with my preconceived notions on who he was and what he was talking. He speaks from the heart, even when he knows it's not popular. He's down to earth, very opinionated, and I respect that most of all. No punches are pulled, even when reviewing equipment and software, even if it's a paid sponsored video. You can't ask for more than that. And when you click on the video, it really does feel like a friend who's giving you advice and just really only looking out for your best interest at heart. Trying to save you some money in the process. Now look, these are all great channels. But most importantly, look, if I've missed some, make sure you at me in the comments, tell me who I need to cover. But most importantly, it's all about helping you win, about helping you build your career in streaming, whether it be YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Rumble, don't care. But all I care about is you starting and pushing towards for your dream. So if you like this video, please share it, sub, and do all the things that help the algorithm grow. We'll see you in the next one.